Hello everyone, it's indeed inspiring to see you back again. I hope you are enjoying the SQL tutorial series, and today we are going to see some of the SQL commands so that you start getting familiar that how to use the SQL command line. So let's start with the SQL command line. And if you still have not subscribed the channel, so you must go ahead and press the subscribe button, and also you should press the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications ahead. You can see that this is my SQL command line screen. And the first command I would like to start with is show databases. This is the first command I would like to start with. So understand there is a keyword which is show and DATABASES databases. So both are the reserved words. That means these both are given to us by MySQL itself. For example, if you listen to a small baby, the baby cries, and the way baby cries and the way baby shows so many expressions, so those expressions are not there given in any kind of grammar. Those are completely some new kind of things baby tries to do. So that is something which is not coming from any dictionary or any dictionary's words. But here, if you see that this show is coming from MySQL's dictionary, databases is coming from MySQL's dictionary. That means MySQL is telling us that you use these words. I cannot use database over here. I have to use databases only. So this is something which MySQL is guiding us to do. And let's press the enter button. So as soon as I press the enter button, it says me lost connection to MySQL server during query. So enter the password. So let me enter the password, and I have entered the password. The connection has been established and I have got a list of databases. Do you observe? Can you see this? So I have got a complete list of databases here, and that is DC, HR, information schema, joins, and what not, what you can see over here. So many databases, 19 in total. I can see the databases over here. So what does this mean? This means that this MySQL is having in total 19 databases. I have told you what are databases. Databases are like bags. So let's say if you have a bag, what sort of bag? Let's say if you have a bag like this, and this particular bag can have, let's say, 10 number of bottles. We want to keep some bottles inside this bag. So I will say that this bag is having 10 bottles, but if I assume that this particular bag is nothing but bag is equal to what? Bag is equal to a database. So if this bag is equal to a database software, then database software can have 0 or more databases inside it. 0? No, at least one database should be there, and that database would be systems database. So this bag will have one or more bottles inside it. So what does bottle determines here? Bottles basically are basically databases. So you can see that this bag is the database software, and the bottles, they are basically databases inside the database software. And what would we find inside these databases? I'll show you. Inside these databases, like in the bottle, what will we find? So I have one bottle over here. You can see that this is the bottle. So in this particular bottle, what are you able to see? So in this particular bottle, you can see that there is water inside it. Very similar way, what a database will have. A database will have tables inside it. So like water drops, similar way, tables will be there inside a database. I will show you that as well. So let me help you with the next query or the next command. So the first command I told you is show space databases. The second command I would like to show you is use, and then we have to type a database name. So what are the database name with us? DC is a database, HR is a database, information schema is a database. So all these 19 are nothing but they are databases. So I can write USE use, and after that I can write a database name. So let's say I write HR. So the database name with me is HR and semicolon enter. So you can see that while writing a particular command or statement, what I'm doing, I'm basically writing that particular command and then I'm putting a semicolon over there. So this is the grammar of SQL. I'm speaking with you in English, right? So if I want to say it is raining, so I will say it like this only. It is raining. It will come here. After that, is will come and then rain plus ing because now it is raining, right? So grammar says if it is raining at this particular point of time, then use ing with rain. Then it means that at present the rain is happening. Similar way, that is a rule. Similar way, there is a rule in SQL also. Once you are writing something, then at the end you have to put a semicolon. Semicolon tells SQL that you have completed writing your command or query. So use space HR, then semicolon. This means that you have completed your query. And then it has given us a message also. Database changed. So let us see if database changes, what happens? If database changes, then basically we can see the tables inside the database. Okay, and the command is show tables tables and enter. After semicolon, I'm putting enter. So it should show me a list of tables inside which database? Inside HR database. So let me show you the hierarchy once again. The hierarchy is that we have a database software. So a database software will, after that, it will have databases, multiple databases, and the databases will have tables inside them. So this is a kind of hierarchy we are following. Okay, this is very simple and very much understood, the kind of hierarchy we are following. Now you have seen that this terminal is a MySQL database software. It is representing the software. Inside that, if I type show databases, that basically help us with a list of databases inside this particular software. And when I type use HR, that basically help me to use a particular database which is named as HR, and then I can write show tables. Now, would you like to see what is there inside the MySQL database? So tell me what will be the command. So what will be the command? Tell me what will be the command to see the tables inside which MySQL database. So what will be the command? So can you suggest? Okay, yes. So the command would be use MySQL. That's it. And now you type show show tables. Will you be able to see the same tables? Countries, department, EMP? Obviously not, because here you will be able to see the tables which are inside the database. Which one? MySQL. So you can see these are the tables inside MySQL. I hope you are getting this part. So something I written dash dash, okay, or hyphen hyphen. If I write hyphen hyphen and then if I start typing anything means anything, that won't get executed. Okay, so this you need to remember, won't get executed. Why? Because hyphen hyphen, these two dash, they basically represent command. So whatever you write with hyphen hyphen, it is a single line command. Single line command command. But what if you want to write multiple lines command? Okay, multi-line command. What will happen in case of multi-line command? So this is how you can write multi-line command. Okay, so I am in a multi-line command. Okay, so I'm writing a multi-line command. If you want to end it, start slash. So multi-line command starts with forward slash star, and then you start writing whatever you want to write, and at the end star and then forward slash enter. So this is how multi-line command is written. So we have seen that whenever we are writing some query and you have something in mind and you want to store it, so write a comment so that it can be stored over there, right? So that is something you can do. So we have seen that how you can start utilizing this particular MySQL black screened terminal or shell or command line. Start doing practice. And if you have any query, if you are facing any error, do write it down in the chat box, in the comment section. We are surely going to come back and help you with solution for the same. I hope you are enjoying the videos. Do like, do share, and keep telling us what else you require. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.